The portable CADDY system is flexible and convenient. It's ideal if your facility has multiple kitchens, like a hotel, casino, or strip mall.
Here at the W Hotel in Philly, we just installed a waste oil CADDY system. Very simple to operate. This is your pump control right here. It's on a timer, so you can't leave it running dry. The tanks are translucent, so you can see the level when it's full or when it's empty. And this is the CADDY. They come, they bring this upstairs. They have fryers on multiple floors. So they fill this with their waste oil, they wheel it down here, they connect it, like so. Open the valve on the CADDY and on the wall, turn the pump on, and the oil is evacuated directly into the tank.
If you have a self-filtering fryer, the Direct Connect lets you evacuate oil with the push of a button. The wand system lets you evacuate your fryer automatically without having to use a self-filtering fryer.
This is the pump station with the wand that goes into the fryer to evacuate the oil into the tank in the basement. The pipe runs around the grill, around the fryer, around the stove, and into the basement.